Welcome to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma. Today, we are addressing a common frustration, sounding like a walking grammar textbook. Many learners feel that their English is stiff, robotic, and lacks the rhythmic flow they hear in movies or on the streets of London or New York. The reason is simple. You are likely missing the conversational anchors that native speakers use to bridge their thoughts. In this 18-minute masterclass, we are stripping away the academic fluff. We are going to master 3 specific phrasal verbs, bring up, get along, and look forward to transform your hesitant speech into authentic, natural dialogue.
And I am Sam, the guy who used to spend hours memorizing long academic words because I thought they made me sound smart. But Emma, every time I used those big words at a party, people looked at me like I was reading from a 19th century novel. I realized that native speakers don't use commence when they can say start, and they don't say mention nearly as much as they say bring up. I was missing the authentic pulse of the language.
You've hit on a vital truth, Sam. Classroom English is often literal and formal, but street-level fluency is idiomatic. Phrasal verbs are the connective tissue of English. If you avoid them because they feel too simple or confusing, your English will always feel like a translation rather than a lived experience. Today, we aren't just giving you definitions, we're giving you the neural anchors to use these verbs instinctively.
I'm ready to stop the literal translations and start the authentic pulse. Before we break down these 3 power verbs, if you are ready to move from a textbook to the real world, it would be a pleasure to have you join our community by subscribing to the channel.
Your presence here is what drives this channel forward. Every subscriber is a new voice in our global conversation for better, more natural communication.
And if you've ever felt like your English was too formal for a casual setting, please leave a like. It lets us know you're ready for the real talk.
Thank you, Sam. Let's dive into our first conversational anchor. Pillar 1, bring up, the art of introduction.
In school, they told me to say mention or introduce a topic.
Right, but in a meeting or a coffee shop, mention can sound a bit distant. Bring up is active. It implies you're lifting a topic from the floor and putting it on the table. Think of the physicality. You are bringing it up. Example, I didn't want to bring up the budget during lunch. It's smoother, it flows.
So if I have a sensitive topic, I bring it up. Wait, what if someone brings up their children? Is that different?
That is the beauty of phrasal verbs, Sam. They have layers. To bring up a child means to raise them. But in conversation, 90% of the time, it means to mention something. Let's practice the mouth gym for this. Don't say bring up, link the sounds. Bring up. The G and U merge together.
Bring up. I didn't mean to bring up the problem.
Exactly. That link is what creates the native rhythm. Pillar 2, get along, the social glue.
In school, they told me to say to have a harmonious relationship. But that's a mouthful, Emma. I can't say that while I'm eating a sandwich.
No one says that, Sam. Get along is the ultimate social glue. It describes the vibe between people. Do you get along with your new boss? It's not just about not fighting, it's about the flow of energy between 2 people. If you say, we have a harmonious relationship, you sound like an HR manual. If you say, we get along really well, you sound like a friend.
I want to sound like a friend. Is it get along with or just get along?
Both. Get along, subject plus verb. I get along with him, subject plus verb plus object. Notice the rhythm. Get along with. It's a 3-step dance.
Get along with. I really get along with the people in this community.
Perfect rhythm, Sam. Pillar 3, look forward to, the future anchor.
This one always confuses me. Is it look forward to see or look forward to seeing?
This is the grammar trap. It is always look forward to plus ing. I look forward to meeting you. But don't think about the grammar. Think about the leaning. When you look forward to something, your body literally leans towards the future. It's an expression of positive anticipation. In business emails, I anticipate our meeting sounds cold. I'm looking forward to our meeting sounds warm and professional.
So it's a warmth verb.
Exactly. It bridges the gap between formal and friendly. And the rhythm is key here. Look forward to. 4 syllables, 1 breath.
Look forward to. I'm looking forward to finishing this script.
Not yet. We have the integration workshop next. Pillar 4, the phrasal verb swap exercise.
Are we going to trade our old words for new ones?
Yes. I am going to give you a textbook sentence, and you have to nativize it using our 3 verbs. Ready?
And clear my throat. I'm ready.
Sentence 1. I will mention the proposal during the next session.
I will bring up the proposal during the next session.
Sentence 2. My coworkers and I have a very positive relationship.
My coworkers and I get along really well.
Sentence 3. I anticipate with pleasure our vacation next month.
I'm looking forward to our vacation next month.
Sam, you sound 50% more fluent already. The academic fluff is gone, the authentic pulse is there. Can you feel the difference in your mouth?
I can. The sentences feel shorter, but they feel more connected. It's like the words are holding hands instead of standing in a straight line.
That's a beautiful way to put it. Phrasal verbs hold hands. Pillar 5, contextual mastery.
Where do I use these the most?
Bring up is perfect for meetings, negotiations, or even difficult conversations with family. Get along is your small talk champion. Use it when talking about your new job, your neighbors, or your pets. Look forward to is the perfect closer. Use it at the end of emails, phone calls, or dates. By using these 3, you anchor the beginning, the middle, and the end of your interactions in natural English.
Now, let's bring in our global community.
Friends, we want to see your hand-holding sentences.
Pick one of these 3 phrasal verbs.
Write a sentence in the comments about your real life.
Tell us who you get along with or something you are looking forward to this weekend.
It would be a privilege to read your stories.
We learned so much from your examples, and it helps other students too.
Sam, why do people find phrasal verbs so scary?
I think it's because one verb, like get, can have 50 different meanings depending on the preposition. It feels like a trap.
It's only a trap if you try to learn them as a list. Don't learn get, learn get along. Treat it as a single new word. If you see them as single units, the fear disappears. You aren't combining 2 things, you're using one conversational anchor.
One anchor at a time. I can do that.
Let's do our final deep dive recap for this 18-minute session. The 3 phrasal verbs to sound like a native.
Step 1.
Bring up. Use it to introduce topics naturally. Remember the link, bring up.
Step 2.
Get along. Use it to describe the social glue between people.
Step 3.
Look forward to. Use it to express warmth for the future. Always use ing.
Step 4.
Rhythm mastery. Link the sounds together so they hold hands.
Step 5.
The swap. Replace your formal textbook words with these anchors today. Sam, I'm really looking forward to seeing the comments on this one.
I see what you did there, Emma. And I really get along with this topic. I hope I didn't bring up too many problems today.
You were perfect.
Thank you for joining us for this session of the Lingo Listen. We hope these 3 anchors help you navigate the sea of English with confidence.
If you want more deep dives into conversational English, it would be an honor to have you subscribe.
And please, share this with a friend who sounds a bit like a grammar textbook. Let's help them find their pulse.
Stay natural.
Stay curious.
And please go bring something interesting in English today.
Until next time.
Bye for now. Goodbye, everyone.